Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel video tutorial we will learn that how we can upload a file in Laravel framework. These are the steps that we need to perform. First of all, we need to make a view. Then we will define a HTML form inside this view. We will make a controller, and inside the controller we will write some code to upload a file. And at the last I will ask you a question. You can attempt this question in the comment box also if you want. So now let's get started with making a view. So just collapse the all of files on the root, and now let's go to the resources, view, and make a new file. So let's say my view name is upload.blade.php, right? And let's make a h1 tag and write here some text so that we can identify the file, upload file or something, right? And let's make a form again here. So there is a two type inside this form that you need to just mandatory to the mention method name, which is post, and then ink type. So ink type should be the multi-part form data. When we are using sending this normal data like text or something, then we don't need to define this property. But when we are sending some rich data like some PDF or some audio, video or file, then we just define the multi-part, right? And then we can just define some input fields here, like first input field is file, and name can be like file or anything, right? Whatever you want. And again let's take some br tag also, so that we can just maintain some space, and just define a button again and write text on this button like upload file or something. And now just type the button type will be submit. Now let's look out this okay, so we need to define one more thing, which is CSRF token, right? And now let's see that how we can just get this page on the HTML. So let's define the route here, and just simply write here route view, and the URL for this route is upload, and file name will be again upload, right? Now let's come on the running Laravel and just write here upload, and we can see that we have a small form for submit and choosing the file. When we just click on this choosing file, we have a pop-up and we can select an image, right? And on the upload click we can upload it, but for now we did not complete this functionality, that's why it will just give some errors here. So just ignore it for a moment, and now let's make a controller. So just clean the previous one and write here php artisan make controller name. So let's say my controller name is upload controller. Hit that, and you can see that created controller created successfully, right? So now let's go this controller http controllers, and here let's define a function. Just write here index, and here you can return something. For a moment we can just return some text like hello from controller or something, right? And now let's go for the web.php and make a route for it. So we need to import this file, so just write here use app. We need to just provide this path app http controller and this controller name, then http controllers, oh my bad, then upload controller, right? And now define this path again for posting the data. Just write here route, and this is the post request, that's why we just mentioned the post method here, right? And now let's define any path. We can again define upload. Yes, two routes can be the same URL if they have the different methods, right? And now just simply use the path of this file, which is upload controller : class, and in the second parameter we can define the index, right? And just index will be defined this function name, right? Everything is fine. Now just use this URL as an action of this form. Now let's try to upload any file. So whenever I'm just using, then you can see that hello from the controller. That's great. We can just make a connection with the controller. Now we need to just write the code for uploading, right? So just simply, first of all, we need to just define here request type parameter. This request is coming from HTTP, this class, right? HTTP request, and $req, and it will just get the data from the form, and just simply write here $request file, and this file name belongs to this name, right? If we have the docs here, then we need to just mention here docs or whatever we have the name. And now just put here store, and inside the store we can just put here any name to this folder. So let's say I just want to put here docs name as docs to the name of folder, right? And now let's try to upload a file. Just choose of any file from here and let's try to upload. Now we have the folder name as well as this is the file name. So just go to our project like this, blog, storage, app, and here you can find our docs, right? So let's try to upload one more image. Let's go back here and just choose any file, like I want to choose that one, right? And just upload it. Now you will just find the two files inside the app docs folder. So that's all for this video. Now it's time to the interview question, which is how we can just change this file name. So when we are actually uploading this file, then you can identify that we have the different file name. So let's say I'm just uploading this Laravel 818 file number, then this have the different name. When we are just upload it, the file name is actually getting different. So how we can just change this name when we are uploading a file name? You can comment this answer in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.